When using the Prevalon AirTAP patient repositioning system, please keep the following in mind. The Prevalon AirTAP is designed to assist with turning, positioning, boosting, and lateral patient transfer while reducing healthcare worker injury risk. Place the glide sheet alongside the patient with the printed arrow pointing toward the head of the bed. Unfold the glide sheet and align the upper edge with the patient's shoulder. Smooth out any wrinkles and raise the bed rails. With the power off, insert the nozzle into the quick connect valve and make sure it is secure. Turn on the air pump and allow the glide sheet to fully inflate. Using the black handles, line up the patient's hips with the hinge point of the bed. Insert the anchor wedge tail first with the black fabric facing up. Place the upper wedge at least 1 hand width away. Turn the air pump off. If needed, perform a micro-turn to position the patient at the appropriate angle. Check to make sure the patient's sacrum is offloaded. Raise the bed rails. Remove the wedges prior to boosting patients. Turn on the air pump. Once the glide sheet is fully inflated, use the black handles to move the patient to the desired position. Turn the air pump off. The gray extension handles can aid with patient positioning. To perform a lateral transfer, lower the rails between the transfer surfaces. Move the surfaces as close together as possible. Set the receiving surface about 1 inch below the height of the sending surface. With a caregiver on each side, turn on the air pump and allow the glide sheet to fully inflate. Gently glide the patient to the receiving surface. With one caregiver holding the patient in place, turn the air pump off. When the glide sheet is fully deflated, separate the support surfaces and raise the bed rail. If the microclimate body pad becomes soiled, remove it and replace it with a new one. To remove linens, turn on the air pump. Starting at the head of the bed, lift the corners of the linen. Gently pull toward the foot of the bed while holding the glide sheet in place. Remove the linen and turn off the air pump. To place linens, tuck the bottom corners of the linen beneath the pillow, glide sheet, and the patient's shoulders. Anchor the top corners of the linen. Turn on the air pump. Gently pull the linen down while holding the glide sheet in place. Anchor the bottom corners and turn off the air pump. Smooth out any wrinkles. To learn more about the Prevalon AirTAP, call or visit our website.